Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, this will be a very interesting video or helpful video for every iPhone user. So in this video, we will talk how to fix your iPhone getting heat or how to avoid, I would say that, from your iPhone getting heated or very hot or warmed up. So in this video, we'll try to give you some solutions, my own opinions to avoid this issue or fix this issue. So let's start. Reason your iPhone get heated, that is a iPhone battery, and your iPhone battery is completely made of your chemicals, right? And whenever we are using a iPhone for any task or any heavy task, that task require a battery power or energy source, and that time your iPhone tries to derive that power or energy from a battery. And whenever we put a pressure on a battery, that is surely going to heat up because we are using it. That will make your iPhone heated. So now that is surely happen now or later stage. Your iPhone will surely gets heat by using it. So now we can avoid it, can't stop it. So now how to avoid it? So that the first thing, remember always, your iPhone battery's biggest enemy is a heat. So many things we see whenever there is a hot environment like outdoor or a car, that time we see our iPhone heat up very fast or very frequently. That is because of the environment what we are in. So try to avoid your iPhone using your iPhone heavily in the heat or a heavy hot environment, because that is a chemical, right? The battery of chemical. So surely there's a reaction, and your heated or your hot environment makes your iPhone battery go heated. So try to avoid using your iPhone heavily in the hot environment. That is the first thing. Also, for example, stop or don't charge your iPhone whenever you're in a hot environment. For example, if you're in a place in a cafe or a car where there is a sunlight or very hot environment, don't charge it, because whenever you're charging your phone, that time you are trying to charge your battery, that is a chemical. And if you noticed, normally charging phone makes your iPhone heat. That time whenever there is a chemical reaction happening for charging and the outer environment is heated, that will surely make your iPhone go heat or very hot. So try to avoid charging your phone whenever you're in a hot environment. Okay, the second thing I told you, that was a general advice. So now coming back to the basics for the iPhone. So now the main thing, as I told you earlier, whenever there is a heavy task given to an iPhone, that makes your iPhone heat, right? Because of the battery. So now what you can try, just make sure that there are no heavy application running in your background. So just do one thing, go to this mode and here close all the application, close all the heavy application running background. I know many people tell that running background application is okay for the iPhone. I know that. What if it is a heavy game or a big application like your PUBG Mobile or anything, any application that requires a heavy power? That time, make sure that you close it in the background. Okay, go ahead and just close the application from the background. Okay, now the next thing what you can try is make sure that there is enough power on your iPhone, because whenever there is a low power on your iPhone and you're using your iPhone, that time your iPhone try to use your iPhone battery more, right? And that time the battery cannot supply the enough power to your iPhone's applications. That time the reaction or the constant using of your iPhone in a low power mode makes your iPhone heat or hot. So try to avoid your iPhone heavily in your low power mode, or just enable the low power mode and use it normally on your iPhone. So just make a note of that. And the next thing what you can talk about your case cover, because sometimes whenever using a big case cover for your iPhone, that time it makes your iPhone okay rugged or packed, right? And whenever you're using your iPhone, that time if it is hot, that time the outside air cannot cool your iPhone. So always whenever your iPhone become heat or hot, that time it is always better to remove the case and keep your iPhone for cooling. Similarly, also while charging, it is advisable to charge your iPhone without the case cover. Just go ahead, do one thing. Whenever you're charging your phone next time, if you're facing an issue of your iPhone getting heated frequently, then better to charge your phone without a case cover. And guys, lastly, I can tell you, There might be one more reason that will making your iPhone go hot or heated. That is your software version you're using on your iPhone. If you see, sometime whenever Apple releases new update that make your iPhone go heater, because there might be a glitch or bugs that makes your iPhone heat or hot. So first I'll do one thing, go to settings, go to general, and here check for a software update. If any software available update, just go ahead and update your device. Okay, that might fix the issue. And the main thing to note, that is, if you installed iOS beta version on your iPhone, that is surely going to make your iPhone hot or heated while using it, because the beta versions come with a many bugs and glitches. Surely your iPhone will get heated. Make a note of that. So if you're a beta user, don't worry, okay, because coming update surely fix it. So any software issue, go ahead, okay, update your device if it is available and fix the issue. So guys, that's it. Some basic things I try to tell you. I hope they work for you. I hope you follow it. And if yes, if you like this video, let me know in the comment below. And guys, lastly, one more thing. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. See you in the next video.